Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to remove Google Find Hub app from Android phone. To remove the Google Find Hub app from your Android phone, there are a few straightforward methods. First, you can try locating the app directly on your home screen or app drawer. Just press and hold the app icon and select Uninstall if the option appears. If that doesn't work, head to the Google Play Store, search for Google Find Hub, tap the app, press uninstall. Another approach is through your phone settings, open settings, go to apps, then either scroll through the list or use the search function to find Google Find Hub. Once you've located it, tap on the app and select uninstall. Any of these methods will allow you to safely remove the Google Find Hub app from your device, giving you a cleaner, more streamlined phone experience. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.